Good morning, Ms. Sapita. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us why you are applying at Philippine Airlines?
Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Jean Shelley Sofia Sapida, a graduating psychology student from De La Salle University, Das Marinas. I am applying for the position of flight attendant because it allows me to combine my skills in communication, adaptability, and cultural sensitivity with my passion for customer service. Joining Philippine Airlines means contributing to passenger safety and comfort while also representing the warmth and hospitality of the Filipino spirit.
What makes you qualified for this role?
I strongly believe that my psychology background gives me an advantage in understanding people's needs and handling situations with empathy. I have strong communication and interpersonal skills. I remain calm under pressure and I thrive in team oriented environments. These qualities, together with my professionalism and dedication to excellent service, makes me confident that I can contribute positively to the PAL cabin crew.
Tell me about the time you handled a difficult situation.
In one of my research projects, I had to coordinate with participants who held conflicting opinions. The discussion became tense, but I stayed calm, listened actively, and helped find our common ground. This taught me patience, diplomacy, and problem solving, which are skills that I know will help me when addressing passenger concerns or unexpected situations.
Being a flight attendant requires a strong teamwork. How do you work with others?
I believe teamwork is the key to safety and, and service excellence. During academic projects, I learned to collaborate effectively by respecting different perspectives and focusing on our shared goal. As part of a cabin crew, I would communicate clearly, support my colleagues, and make sure we work together to deliver a seamless and positive passenger experience.
How would you handle an upset passenger?
I would first listen attentively and acknowledge their concern. I would remain calm, respond with empathy, and reassure them that I am there to assist. Then I would provide the best possible solution within company guidelines or escalate if needed. My top priority would be to turn their negative experience into a positive one and ensure they feel valued.
The airline industry is unpredictable. How do you adapt to changes?
I approach with I approach changes with flexibility and professionalism, whether it's flight delays, schedules adjustments, or emergencies. I remain calm and focus on solutions. My psychology background has trained me to manage stress effectively, which helps me adapt quickly while maintaining a reassuring presence for passengers.
Why did you choose to apply to Philippine Airlines?
Philippine Airlines is not only the country's flag carrier but a symbol of world-class service and Filipino warmth. I am applying because I want to contribute to that mission by ensuring passenger safety, professionalism, and exceptional service. For me, serving with PAL is both a responsibility and an honor.
Any final words?
Yes, thank you. I would be honored to join Philippine Airlines as a flight attendant with my skills in communication, adaptability, and customer service. I am confident in my ability to provide passengers with a safe, comfortable, and memorable journey. I look forward to contributing to PAL's legacy of service and excellence.